Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you a really great morph transition. So go to shapes and insert a rounded cornered rectangle and change its color to dark blue and remove its outline. Now paste it into 4. Increase the size of this white rectangle and adjust these 3 rectangles like I have shown in the video. Adjust this larger rectangle next to the smaller one. Now change the color of these shapes according to the flag of the country you're choosing. So I have chosen Italy and the flag colors are green, white and red. So I'm gonna choose this one and now go to the background color and choose black because Italy's flag also have white color, so I want to make it prominent. Now right click on this larger rectangle, go to picture or illustration and choose your photo. And decrease its height. So I have added the text. You can also add the text using Google or any information where you find it. Now select duplicate the slide and go to first slide and select all of these. Go to align and middle and then center. Now go to the first slide, select all of these and go to transitions, then morph. Next, you have to go to the second slide and you have to enter the morph transition to the second slide as well. Select all of these and morph transition. So here is the final result. Be sure to like the video and subscribe my channel to get the latest updates about PowerPoint and other tricks and tips about PowerPoint.